Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. Part of our experience is to face many troubles. Troubles deep within, troubles around us, troubles in faith, troubles in life generally. And we admit that we have passed through or we are passing through those moments. Troubles, we call it. We have troubled and maybe we are troubling as of the moment. Kung buhay po ni Jesus ang pag-uusapan natin, malinaw sa atin at sa Kanya na hindi siya ligtas dito. From womb to tomb, troubles were all around Him. The trouble of disowning, of people disowning Him, trouble of those attacking Him, and shall we say, even the trouble of His passion and death. May hinarap din po si Jesus at may pinagdaanan din si Jesus. But my dear brothers and sisters, considering and acknowledging all those troubles we face, the Lord reminds us today, I have conquered the world. Needless to say, as if the Lord is also telling us, consider it done. Yes, troubles are lurking around, but the assurance of the Lord also strengthens us. May kailangang harapin at may talagang mga haharapin, pero may lakas para harapin ang mga bagay na ito. With faith and confidence to the words of the Lord, when confronted with the troubles deep within, Jesus reminds you, I have conquered the world, consider it done. When the troubles around us are so loud, be reminded of the Lord and be assured, I have conquered the world, consider it done. He has passed through pain and suffering, the passion and the cross. He has been raised. He has been in the heavens until now. May mga kailangan mang harapin o pagdaanan, pero wala na pong lakas ang makakatalo sa kanyang kinatagumpay. Pero pinapaalala po muli ng Diyos, tapos na yan. Tagumpay na tayo dyan. Panalo na tayo dyan. We take assurance from the Lord today when in trouble. We will be disturbed. We will be troubled. But we are assured. Consider it done. I have conquered the world.